Skills tell a computer how to approach a task, not just what to do. They're useful for repeated work where consistency matters. Same structure, same tone, same formatting, same review process. Instead of rewriting instructions at the start of each new task, a skill stores them once and applies them each time. For example, a skill that builds assets following an organization's brand guidelines. This makes repeated work easier to standardize and share across the team. It also helps computer produce work that is more consistent and closer to established standards from the start. To get started, identify a task that runs on a regular basis, like research, data analysis, or content creation. Computer will help easily turn those instructions into a skill by chatting to learn what it means. If there are existing skills an organization uses on another platform, they can be imported in Markdown format or as a zip file. Zip files can include fonts, brand color palettes, and other assets. Prompt computer to use a skill, but remember that computer knows to use certain skills related to the task. Skills tell a computer how to handle work like research, data analysis, content creation, or building deliverables. Use a query for the task and a skill for the repeatable instructions behind it. A query tells computer what to do in the moment. A skill tells computer how to approach that kind of work each time. Skills shape the workflow. They can reflect how a team researches, analyzes, writes, formats, and organizes work. Once skills are in place, computer follows that process consistently across tasks. Reports, dashboards, presentations, websites, and more.